Hello and welcome to the E1ULife Getting Started tutorial video. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get started with E1ULife and how to activate your account with $25 in BTC. The first thing that you need is the affiliate link or the referral link from someone who referred you to E1ULife. When that person shares their link, you just click on it. Depending on the type of link that they shared with you, you would see a page like this. By all means, take your time to go through and read everything on this page to understand exactly what is E1ULife all about. Sometimes someone will send you a link and it will open a page like this. It is the same company. So again, just take your time. This is a video there. Take your time to go through, read through everything. And once you have read and understood everything that is on these pages, the next step, if you decide to get started, on this page here, you can just click the button that says Start Earning Now. Or if you are on this page here, you can just click the button that currently says Create My Free Account Now. Personally, I prefer to share a link to this page. And as I said, make sure that you go through everything. You watch this video. If you receive a link from someone, that takes you to this page. Once you have understood and want to go all in, just click on the Create My Free Account button like this. And then what you should see is the registration page with the referral user ID of the person who referred you and their referral username at the top there. So all you need to do is to create a username, put your first name, last name, email address, your mobile number, include your country code, and then create your password and confirm it and just submit this form. So as you can see, I have completed this registration form with my information. The next step is to click the submit button. Okay, so the next step is to start earning Bitcoin. It's for you to add your Bitcoin address. Now this is the Bitcoin address where you will receive your Bitcoin payment. So it's important that you add a correct Bitcoin address in that box there. So in my case, I will go to my exchange and copy my Bitcoin address and then put it in this box here and click update. Now, before you click the update button, it's important that you double check your receiving Bitcoin address, because if your address is entered incorrectly, it means that you are not going to receive your Bitcoin payment. So if your Bitcoin address is entered correctly, go ahead and click the update button. And then the next step is to activate your first matrix. So if you scroll down a little bit, you would see it says pay directly with Bitcoin important. A minimum of 0.0002859 BTC must be received to activate your account. If the amount does not satisfy that amount that you need to pay, in my case it's 0.0002859 BTC, you will receive this error message that says transaction is already in use. So make sure that when you make your payment, you enter the correct BTC amount that is required. So the $25 will get you 250 points and the subtotal is $25. Admin fee is $2.50. The amount in USD is $27.50, and the equivalent of that amount in BTC is 0.0002859 in my case. And then the Bitcoin address that I need to send this amount of BTC to is displayed here. along with the QR code. So the first step is to copy the BTC amount that you are given, and then go to your Bitcoin wallet where you're going to be sending your BTC from. In my case, I'll be using my Binance wallet. So here is my Binance wallet, and I do have some BTC, so I'll just click on a BTC here, and then I will click withdraw. Some exchanges and wallets will say send, and then I'll send via crypto network. And then I need to paste the address where I'm sending this Bitcoin to, all right? But in my case, I copied the amount of BTC first, so I will paste it there. And then I'll go back, and then now copy the given BTC address, highlight it carefully, and then copy. If you are using the QR code, double check that it corresponds with the address that is displayed above. In my case, I just highlighted there. The address that is given above begins with 34AQ. Then I'm going back to my Binance wallet, and then long press and paste that BTC address. Right? So now it automatically understands that this is a BTC address that I will be sending this Bitcoin to, and the withdrawal amount is displayed there as it was given to me, and then the USD equivalent is $27.50, and right at the bottom there. Now please pay close attention to what I'm about to say here, especially if you are using a Binance wallet. Look at where it says receive amount. It says 0.000025559 BTC. Do you notice that that amount is less than the amount that was required, which was 0.0002859? So why is that? That is because there is a network fee that is going to be deducted from my withdrawal amount, and that BTC amount, or that network fee, is 0.00003 BTC. So now it means that if I go ahead and press withdraw, the amount that is going to end up making it to E1ULife address, Bitcoin address that is above there, is going to be less than what they are actually expecting, which will lead to my account not getting activated. Okay, but if you are using decentralized wallets like Trust Wallet and other wallets, you may find that they deduct the transaction fee from the balance that is remaining in the actual wallet. In Binance case, they deduct the transaction fee or the network fee from the amount of Bitcoin that you are trying to send. Now, how do you make sure that you send the exact amount that is required by E1ULife system? What you want to do is to add the original amount you were given and the network fee. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll open the calculator now. So now, after opening the calculator, what I have done is I have taken the original amount that is required for me to pay, which was 0.0002859, and I have added the network fee charged by the network, or the Bitcoin network, which is 0.00003. Now I have a new BTC amount that I need to send, which is now 0.0003159. Now let's go back to the Binance wallet. So here in the withdraw amount, I'm going to delete this. Now I have 0.000, and I'm going to add 3159. My recording software decided to stop right when I was busy showing you how to do those basic calculations. If you happen to be using a centralized wallet that deducts the network fee from the BTC amount you are trying to send. But if you are using a decentralized exchange or a decentralized wallet like a trust wallet, you may find that those wallets deduct the network fee from the balance that is remaining in your wallet, not from the balance that, not from the BTC amount that you are trying to send. I hope that makes sense. All right. So, what happened is that I was able to send that BTC amount. In my example, I ended up sending 0.000031586, even though the original amount of BTC that I was required to send was 0.0002856, right? So I did that so that to cover the fee, the network fee, which was 0.00003, as you can see, my very advanced calculation there. All right, but again, just to reiterate, if you are using a Bitcoin exchange or wallet that deducts the network fee from the balance that is remaining on your wallet, you do not need to do these calculations that I showed you, because it means that as long as you enter the exact BTC amount that is expected of you to send to the given BTC address, then you are not going to short pay, and you are not going to have any headaches, because if you short pay, it means that you will have to add more BTC amount, and doing that means that you are making more transactions. It means that you are also paying more transaction and network fees, and that's not what we want to see happening. Okay, and if in any case, if you happen to have an issue, you can always write to support. You see this is it orange or red bubble at the bottom right corner of this app here? That's the support. You can just click on it, and then you can just explain exactly what happened there and escalate it to support. If it's about a transaction that you made, make sure that you choose the correct topic here, depending on exactly what it is that you were trying to do. And also, if need be, make sure that you also include some transaction IDs as your proof of payment if you are reporting something that has to do with payments. Okay. Now, how would you know if your account has been successfully activated? All right. Now, just to remind you, or as a reminder, the Bitcoin network or the Bitcoin blockchain is very slow. It takes some time before your transaction gets enough confirmations for it to be verified and be acknowledged by the E1ULife system, right? But once we have waited to say an hour or so, now when you log into your account and when your account is activated successfully, you will see something says view active matrix and view completed cycle. So those two buttons are an indication that your account has been successfully activated, and then you can start working. Also, if you go to the menu here and then just go to my business and go to transaction history, you should also be able to see the transactions you have made. As you can see, my one was for activation of a product, so this is proof that they received my BTC, and that is why they activated my account. So I hope this video has been helpful, and I'm so sorry that it is this long. I just wanted to make sure that I share all the information and all the steps necessary for you to be able to successfully activate your account and avoid any mistakes which could cause unnecessary frustrations and headaches, right? Thank you for watching. Make sure to watch more tutorial videos on this channel as well. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye for now.